Hey everybody, and welcome to a special edition of the Rich Man's Gym podcast. This is the kitchen edition with Dave. Listen, the holidays are creeping right up on us. Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and then we're into Christmas. And so I thought I would show you how I make a keto-friendly peppermint mocha, just like you'd get at some of the hoity-toity coffee shops, right? But this one, totally good for you. So I'm gonna go over the ingredients with you. I'm gonna show you how I make it, how I put it together, then I'm gonna taste it in front of you so you know that it's delicious. Okay, let's check this out. So the primary ingredient, the first ingredient is of course coffee. So I use slow roasted coffee. This is the local in San Luis Obispo. Now just if you didn't know, God, it smells good. Okay, French roast is my preferred. I like the darker roast, but I have switched over to decaf as of late. So nobody's gotten hurt yet either, which is actually quite surprising. But I have switched to decaf because I'm kind of tired of caffeine being my main source of energy. I think it should be more natural, don't you? So speaking of natural, the second ingredient is this. What's that? Let me tell you what this is. This is ground cocoa beans. They roast it like coffee. They grind it like coffee. But it's not. It's cocoa. This is the brand I use, and again, ultra dark, because that's how I like it. But listen to this. Listen to what's in this. This is what's really, really cool. Flavonoids to help boost your immune system. It's also got, there's no sugar in it at all. And it also works similar to caffeinated coffee as a natural appetite suppressant. It does contain theobromine, if I pronounce that correctly. What's up, bro? Theobromine. Here's what I like about this. It's a naturally occurring stimulant found in cocoa. That can be longer lasting, milder, and more pleasant than caffeine. So you're not all, right? And then you're not up at like 2 o'clock in the morning. You can't really understand why you can't get to sleep. That doesn't happen with this. It is also loaded with natural mood enhancers, and in it, it's got magnesium. Magnesium is very, very good for you. It's good for bone health. It's good for brain and heart health. And magnesium, it's an essential mineral. So you need it. Okay, now how do I sweeten this sucker up? I use some monk fruit. I get mine from Keto. All of these ingredients, by the way, I will include in the show notes to make it really easy if you want to get it for yourself and make it on your own. Next thing, MCT oil. I use Bulletproof right now. Now, I used to get my MCT oil from Onnit, and if you've been following the blog, you may have seen a post about a year ago where I talked about making a peppermint mocha with Onnit's chocolate-flavored MCT oil. They discontinued that. They also discontinued their Snickerdoodle fat butter, but I'm not bitter. Actually, I'm very bitter. So, but this is what I've Sorry, Dave Asprey. I didn't resort to this. This is what I'm using. I like it. It tastes good. You know what, though? I haven't tried it yet, but I think this would go really good on popcorn because it has sort of a popcorn butter flavor to it. But yeah. Okay, so then there's that. Then, of course, I need what? Well, I need some peppermint. I use doTERRA peppermint oil. Very, very good. 1, 2, 3 drops max. Very, very strong. Cats don't like it either, by the way. Learned that one the hard way yesterday. Okay, then there's one other ingredient, and that's some heavy cream. Cool. So then I'm going to whip it all, or I'm going to blend it all together, and I'm going to enjoy my peppermint mocha. So watch how this goes. Okay, so here we are. Step 1, I'm going to add the heavy cream. About just a tablespoon of that. A tablespoon of the heavy cream. We're going to get a tablespoon of the MCT oil. Teaspoon, let me get a teaspoon. Teaspoon, this is 1-to-1. This sweetener here, it's 1-to-1 sugar ratio, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit. So we're gonna get a teaspoon of that. Boom, that's there, that's handled. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the coffee. I need just a little bit, okay, for now. There'll be more later. Okay, and then like I said, 1 to 3 drops depending on your preference. Let's go, peppermint oil. A 1, a 2, 3. Okay, there we go. 3 drops of the peppermint oil. Give it a light stir. But then what you really got to do, this might be the funnest part. You just take your little frother. Okay. It's getting all nice and frothy now. Now I'm gonna add my coffee. The coffee in this, it's half of this and half of that. Stir it up. And enjoy. Oh, so good, so good. And that is a keto-friendly peppermint mocha. If you try it, let me know. Leave me a comment. What'd you think of it? Again, as I mentioned, I will leave all these ingredients in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a special kitchen edition of the Rich Man's Gym podcast. My name is David Bradley. Strength and conditioning for body, mind, and spirit. Train anywhere. Talk to you soon.